Hello, welcome to Cooking Tips and Tricks. My name is Aislyn Ukpik, and today we will be talking about peas. So we're going to be talking today about snap peas. You can eat every single part of this kind of pea. You can eat the stems, the flowers, the pods, and the peas that are inside. And then the snow peas are really sweet, and you can eat every part as well, but they're much flatter. And you might see snow peas in your Chinese food. These are perfect for snacking. Give a handful to your kids in the car, or you can snack on them while you're in the car, but they're really crunchy, and to me they even taste sweet. So the best part is the crunch that they bring to your food. On these types of peas, sometimes you might need to break off the end of them because they're a little bit tougher than the center part. So you can always just snap that off. It's really easy to do. And then the best part, like I said before, is the crunch. You want to wait until the end before you add them to your hot meals, unless you're using frozen peas. So frozen peas that you find in the grocery store have already been cooked, and you don't want to cook them again or bring them to boil because then they'll be mushy. So with them, you can just rinse them off and add them to your dish at the very end, and that way they'll be crunchy and add flavor. So we're going to be making garlic Parmesan peas, just a quick and easy snack. So basically, you just throw all of your peas in the bowl and then mix in your olive oil and your other ingredients. We have panko breadcrumbs just because they're nice and crunchy. In a pinch, you could also use saltine crackers or whatever kind of cracker, it's probably fine. We're adding in Parmesan cheese, fresh parsley, garlic, it came out, and then salt and pepper. Easy peasy, haha. And then just toss everything together and put it on your baking pan. And in the oven. Oh wow, this looks awesome. And here we are, garlic Parmesan peas. My mouth is already watering.
Thanks for watching Cooking Tips and Tricks. We can't wait to see what you make this week. Please tag us on Instagram and all your posts, and we'll see you next time.